Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So I have to tell you the shipping time on this MacBook M1, the M1 MacBooks, the shipping time is so high. Um, I booked it on sometime around December 4th, and it took more than 2 weeks to arrive. The thing is, it wasn't even shipped, and he was also giving the message that this item is going to take a lot of time to ship. And this is the first time I have ever purchased something on the Apple India website. Right now, I mean, since this October or September, they have been in India with their online store, and they have partnered with Blue Dart, and they actually use their priority shipping. So basically, I don't know what the actual reason is for them to take such a long time to ship, but as soon as it gets shipped, when I got the notification that it is shipped, I got delivered it within 2 days, and the delivery was very prompt. There was one OTP which I had to tell him, and that is when he gives the delivery for a prepaid order, or there's also the option to pay by card when you get the delivery. And when I booked this M1 MacBooks, they were not available on any other store, not Reliance, not Amazon. It was all out of stock. I think right now Reliance has got stock of the M1 MacBooks, and even Apptronics did not have. The big chains that we have in India, these guys, they didn't have the stock, so it was only Apple. You had to buy it on the Apple India website. So it was the first time, buying it on the India website, and it took a lot of time to get delivered. So that's pretty much it. But otherwise, I have nothing else to say. You guys know the M1 MacBook. I don't have to tell you about the laptop itself. And the one reason I chose the Air over the Pro is that somehow the touch bar is not really very attractive. I would like to know where the keys are and then directly go to the keys right away, because I am not a person doing a lot of creative edits or anything like that. And then the other thing is the Air is obviously a little bit lighter, and the wedge shape design is better for typing. That's what I felt. And then the other piece is that it's the same processor. It's the same processor without a cooling system. That's all. So just for that simple cooling system, anyone who is doing edits for a long duration of time, only for them it makes sense. But otherwise, I feel it's enough with the Air. And I got the very base model, which costed 92,900, which comes with 256 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM, and it works just fine. iMovie crashed once when I chose the speed, when I tried to reduce the speed too slow, but otherwise I am really impressed with the export times. Really impressed. I used to have a 27 iMac, and on that, when one video is exporting, I would have some time to create the thumbnail or get the clips ready for my next video. But with this guy, he just exports so quickly. I mean, 5-minute 4K video is not even taking 2 minutes to export. It's that insanely fast. So until now, the experience has been good, and I just wanted to tell you how the Apple India experience was. So there you go. I hope you liked the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely day ahead. Peace.